A blower that won't shut off usually means a component is stuck energized or a control signal is being held true and needs professional attention. If the blower keeps running despite thermostat settings, start by confirming simple controls. Turn power off at the service switch and then at the breaker to safely reset the system and see if the blower still runs on power restore. Inspect the thermostat by removing its cover and checking for stuck jumpers or a wiring short between the fan terminal and the hot lead. Replace the thermostat or its wiring if any conductors are frayed or touching. Check the fan limit or control board visually for obvious burned connectors or swollen capacitors, and replace small parts only if you are comfortable with low voltage systems and have the correct replacement parts. Test the blower motor capacitor with a capacitor meter after discharging it. A weak capacitor can cause motors to run erratically and should be replaced with the exact microfarad rating. Verify that the fan relay or contactor is not welded closed by listening for relay chatter during operation and checking for continuity with the power isolated. Always follow lockout-tagout for electrical work, and if you are not comfortable performing voltage checks or relay diagnostics, call a licensed technician. Common mistakes start with leaving power on while probing live circuits, which risks shock and equipment damage. Always kill power and verify it is off with a non-contact tester or voltmeter. Another common issue is replacing parts without confirming the root cause, leading to repeated failures. Troubleshoot methodically, starting from the thermostat, then low voltage controls, then the motor and capacitor. A third is assuming a control board reset will fix intermittent faults when a failing safety switch or shorted wiring is present. If safety switches trip repeatedly or diagnostics are ambiguous, arrange for professional inspection. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share experiences and ask questions about HVAC issues like a blower that will not shut off. We help contractors find work by making it easy for them to present services and engage with homeowners in our community.